Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one's called club conditioning. So I've set it up as a doubles workout, going through those progressions. Okay, so sort of beginners is more 2 hands, 1 club, singles, 1 club, 1 hand, and then advanced is going to be 2 hands, 2 clubs. Okay, so that's your doubles. If you can do it as a doubles workout, if you can't, you can always regress it onto singles or into 2 hands. Okay, but I'll demonstrate it as a doubles workout. So with this, we're going to perform 20 reps of each exercise, and that's going to be 10 reps on each side. So power through as many rounds as you can in 20 minutes, take a 60-second rest, and then you power through another set. All right, so let's get into that workout, guys. So the first exercise we're going to do is an order clean. So all the usual cues apply with our cleans. We're going to set up a little bit closer in with our feet. Anytime we're swinging the clubs on the outside of the legs, we've got to have a close in stance so we don't crack our knees. So we're going to clean those clubs order position. What I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to keep 1 club in the order position, and I'm going to do a clean on the other side, and we alternate between sides. So again, 20 reps in total, 10 each side. So order position, elbows are tucked into the ribs, wrists are neutral, so it's a straight line through the wrists, shoulders are down and packed down, feet are close in, glutes are on, quads are on, and then I'm going to clean 1 club, catch it on the order position, other one goes, and then it's going to rotate between those 2 positions. All right, so do 20 reps, 10 reps each side. We're going to go alternating front rocket. With our alternating front rocket, 1 club goes back, 1 club goes forward. Okay, so from here, we're going to set up. I like to set up in this position here, and then just we're going to bring 1 club back, 1 club forward. At the bottom position, my arms are locked out, shoulders are still down and packed down, and I'm just slightly bobbing through the knees. Okay, just powering through and moving those clubs from side to side. Try not to overreach, just going through a range of movement where you're not overextending. Okay, so from here, bringing those clubs forward and back. Again, 20 reps, 10 reps each side. As soon as you've done those, we're going to go arm clasped to flag press. Again, 10 reps each side, 20 in total. So we're going to clean those clubs into the order position. I'm going to put 1 club in the back pocket, keep this bicep close to the ear as you can, rip down that lat, pull down that elbow, back into the order position, flag press, so drive up to shoulder height. So with our flag presses, we start at navel height, drive up to shoulder height, so we're driving forward and up. Okay, and then we're going to change sides. Put that club in the back pocket, keep that elbow tucked in. If we chicken wing, we're going to flare out the ribs, so we're going to keep that elbow tucked. Rip down the lat, pull down the elbow, change sides. Okay, so I'll just do a few reps on the side on that one as well. Okay, so we'll do our arm cast to flag press, and then we're going to do our 2-handed order lunge, order position, and then a big step forward, drive down that back knee, keep that front knee over the front heel, squeeze that front glute, drive off through that front heel back into a standing position, making sure you squeeze that glute on the way up, and then driving through, 10 each side, 20 reps in total. And then the last one, we're going to go alternating shield cast. So just having it in the order position, over the shoulder, making sure you get full flexion through the triceps, and we're going to go from side to side. All right guys, so perform that. So you're going to go 1 exercise after the other. So you go 20 reps on each of those exercises. As soon as you've done round 1, take a 60-second rest, and then get round 2 in. Once you've done round 2, the workout's done, or stop at the 20-minute mark. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this workout, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.